When you're traveling, it's essential to have the right gadgets to make your journey smoother, more enjoyable, and efficient. From staying powered up to capturing memories and navigating unfamiliar places, the best travel gadgets can enhance your experience. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 travel gadgets that will help you stay organized, connected, and entertained. Let's dive into these must-have tools for your next adventure. Kicking off our list at number 1, Anker PowerCore. The Anker PowerCore is a compact and high-capacity portable power bank that provides a reliable power source for all your gadgets while on the move. It's perfect for keeping your phone, tablet, or other USB-powered devices charged during long flights, road trips, or outdoor excursions. With Anker's reputation for high-quality charging products, the PowerCore stands out for its balance of portability, power, and speed. Key features: the Anker PowerCore comes with a capacity of 20,000 mAh, which allows it to charge your devices multiple times without needing a recharge itself. It features fast charging technology, including Power IQ and voltage boost, ensuring your devices are charged as quickly as possible. The compact design makes it easy to carry, with dimensions that fit comfortably in any bag. It also includes multi-device charging, so you can charge 2 devices simultaneously, and has advanced safety features to protect against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. Benefits and usage: the Anker PowerCore is a game-changer for travelers who rely heavily on their devices. Whether you're navigating with your phone, working remotely, or streaming entertainment during long waits, having a portable charger ensures you don't run out of power. It's an essential tool for staying connected on the go, especially for long-haul flights or trips to remote areas where charging outlets are scarce. Usability: this portable charger is incredibly user-friendly, featuring a single button operation for checking the battery status and initiating charging. It is compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and even laptops. The sleek design ensures it won't add unnecessary bulk to your luggage, making it perfect for both light packers and those traveling with extensive gear. The multi-port design is a huge plus, allowing you to charge 2 devices at once, keeping everything powered up efficiently. Durability: the Anker PowerCore is built to withstand the rigors of travel. The outer casing is made from durable materials that protect the internal components, ensuring the charger stays functional even in harsh conditions. The device's intelligent charging system optimizes battery life, and it's designed to handle over 500 charge cycles, meaning it will continue to serve you reliably for years. In the second spot, we have GoPro HERO. The GoPro HERO is an iconic action camera that has become a must-have gadget for adventure seekers and travelers alike. Known for its rugged build and superior video quality, the GoPro HERO allows you to capture stunning footage, whether you're hiking, surfing, or exploring a new city. With its versatility and compact size, it's the perfect companion for any travel adventure. Key features: the GoPro HERO features 4K video recording and 12MP photo capability, allowing you to capture ultra-high-definition footage of your travels. It's equipped with hyper-smooth stabilization, which ensures your footage is smooth and steady, even during high-action moments. The HERO is also waterproof up to 33 feet, making it ideal for underwater adventures or shooting in rainy conditions. The voice control feature allows for hands-free operation, while the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity ensure easy sharing and editing on the go. Benefits and usage: whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, documenting your travel activities, or creating memories with friends and family, the GoPro HERO delivers exceptional video and photo quality. It's particularly great for those who enjoy adventure sports, as it can withstand drops, extreme weather conditions, and water exposure. Its portability also makes it a great option for travelers who need a camera that won't take up too much space in their bag. Usability: the GoPro HERO is designed to be incredibly user-friendly. The touchscreen interface makes it easy to navigate through settings and playback, and its simple button layout ensures quick operation. The camera also comes with a variety of mounts and accessories, allowing you to capture footage from unique angles. With its battery life lasting up to 2 hours, it's perfect for day trips or long excursions without worrying about constant recharging. Durability: built for durability, the GoPro HERO is engineered to handle the elements. It's shockproof, waterproof, and freeze-proof, making it a reliable tool for any travel situation. The camera's robust design ensures that even in rough conditions, it will continue to perform, providing high-quality footage throughout your adventures. It's also designed with interchangeable lenses, ensuring that you can replace parts if needed without having to buy a whole new unit. Coming in at number 3 is the Kindle Paperwhite. The Kindle Paperwhite is an e-reader designed for avid readers who want to carry a whole library of books in a compact, travel-friendly device. With its high-resolution screen and adjustable lighting, the Kindle Paperwhite provides an excellent reading experience, even in bright sunlight or at night. Perfect for travelers, it's a space-saving solution for reading while on the go. Key features: the Kindle Paperwhite features a 6-inch high-resolution display with 300 ppi, pixels per inch, for sharp, clear text. The device is waterproof, so you can read by the pool or on the beach without worry. It offers storage options up to 32 gigabytes, allowing you to store thousands of books, magazines, and audiobooks. With adjustable front light and dark mode, you can customize your reading experience depending on your environment, and the long battery life ensures you can read for weeks without recharging. Benefits and usage: the Kindle Paperwhite is an excellent choice for travelers who love to read. With its lightweight design, it easily fits in your bag or even a large pocket. Whether you're on a long flight, relaxing on the beach, or waiting at the airport, it provides a perfect way to enjoy your favorite books without the bulk of physical copies. Plus, its Whisper Sync feature allows you to sync your reading progress across devices, so you never lose your place. Usability: the Kindle Paperwhite is straightforward to use, with a simple touchscreen interface that allows you to navigate through books and settings easily. You can download books directly from the Kindle store or use the Kindle app to transfer books from other sources. The device also offers built-in dictionaries, so you can quickly look up unfamiliar words without interrupting your reading experience. With features like WordWise, it's ideal for readers of all levels. Durability: with its IPX8 waterproof rating, the Kindle Paperwhite is built to withstand splashes, spills, and even submersion in water for up to 60 minutes. The device is constructed to be sturdy, ensuring it can handle travel wear and tear. The screen is glare-free, allowing you to read in any lighting, and the battery lasts for weeks, making it an ideal companion for long trips without the need for frequent charging. Taking our 4th spot is Bose QuietComfort 35-2. The Bose QuietComfort 35-2 headphones are a premium choice for travelers who want to block out noise and enjoy high-quality sound during their journeys. Renowned for their noise-canceling technology, the QC35-2 headphones provide an immersive listening experience, whether you're on a noisy airplane, in a busy cafe, or just looking to escape the world for a while. Key features: the Bose QuietComfort 35-2 headphones feature industry-leading noise cancellation to block out ambient sounds, creating a quiet space for your music, podcasts, or movies. They come with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to wirelessly connect to your devices, and include Alexa and Google Assistant integration for voice control. With up to 20 hours of battery life, they're perfect for long flights or day-long travel. The headphones also feature a lightweight, comfortable design, making them ideal for extended use. Benefits and usage: the Bose QuietComfort 35-2 is perfect for travelers who want to enjoy music or podcasts in peace, free from the distractions of noisy environments. The noise-canceling feature is especially beneficial for those who travel frequently, allowing you to sleep, relax, or focus without interruption. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or taking calls, these headphones deliver premium sound quality and comfort. Usability: these headphones are extremely easy to use, with a simple control button layout on the ear cups for adjusting volume, changing tracks, and taking calls. The Bluetooth connection is quick and stable, allowing for seamless pairing with your phone or tablet. The integration with Alexa and Google Assistant makes it easy to control your music or get updates without having to touch your device. Durability: the Bose QuietComfort 35-2 is built to last, with durable materials that can withstand regular travel. The soft ear cushions and adjustable headband ensure comfort, even during long listening sessions. The headphones are designed to fold into a compact size, making them easy to store in your bag. The long-lasting battery means you won't need to recharge frequently, and the sturdy design ensures they'll survive the rigors of travel. And finally, at number 5, we have TileMate. The TileMate is a compact Bluetooth tracker that helps you keep track of your belongings while traveling. Whether you're worried about losing your keys, wallet, or bag, the TileMate helps you locate your items quickly using your smartphone. It's an essential gadget for keeping track of important items in busy airports, hotels, or unfamiliar destinations. Key features: the TileMate connects to your phone via Bluetooth and works with the Tile app to help you track your items. It has a range of up to 200 feet, allowing you to locate your belongings even from a distance. The TileMate is also water-resistant and includes a loud ringer to help you find your items by sound. If you lose your phone, you can press the button on the TileMate to make your phone ring, even if it's on silent. Benefits and usage: TileMate is a must-have for anyone who has ever misplaced their belongings while traveling. It's particularly helpful in situations where you're juggling multiple bags or trying to locate a small item like your passport or headphones. The convenience of tracking your items from your phone provides peace of mind, ensuring that you don't waste time searching for lost possessions. Usability: the TileMate is easy to use, with a simple setup process through the Tile app. Once connected, you can easily ring your Tile from the app or use the Tile to locate your phone. It's compatible with both iOS and Android devices, and the app's interface is intuitive, making it easy to track your belongings on the go. The small size and adhesive backing allow you to attach the TileMate to almost anything. Durability: the TileMate is built to withstand daily use, with a durable construction that can handle the rigors of travel. It's water-resistant and can handle exposure to light rain or spills, making it reliable in various environments. The battery lasts up to 1 year, and the device is designed to be lightweight and unobtrusive, so it won't add unnecessary bulk to your gear. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a road trip enthusiast, these top 5 travel gadgets are designed to make your journeys more convenient, enjoyable, and stress-free. From keeping your devices charged with the Anker PowerCore to capturing memories with the GoPro HERO, staying entertained with the Kindle Paperwhite, blocking out noise with the Bose QuietComfort 35-2, or tracking your belongings with the TileMate, these gadgets have you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel tips and reviews. Safe travels!